In 1946, Oaks introduced the first continuous mixer for the wholesale bakery, and we've been innovating ever since. Today, Oaks equipment powers over 500 applications in more than 50 countries worldwide. Bakers across the globe depend on our mixers, depositors, injectors, and icers to produce high-quality cakes, cheesecakes, whipped toppings, marshmallow, pie fillings, muffins, and so much more. Proudly made in the USA and built to last, every Oaks machine is custom engineered in our New York facility to deliver precision, reliability, and unmatched performance. We look forward to seeing you at IBIE in booth 2801.
Here at ET Oaks, we're excited to introduce our new laminar flow sheet cake manifold. Our existing line of laminar flow manifolds deposit batter into individual pan cavities. With the addition of the sheet cake manifold to this line, we'll have the ability to deposit into trays for sheet cake.
Our customer requirements dictated that they needed to deposit full sheet cakes, half sheet cakes, as well as quarter sheet cakes. Our new sheet cake manifold is designed to mount over existing conveyors or can be used with our Oaks depositor.
When you're depositing into these trays, our recommended material is cake batter, and you can even include particulates such as chocolate chips or confetti. We're looking forward to talking to you more about our sheet cake manifold at IBIE 2025.
We hope to see you there.